Thanks for tuning in. This is Jason with Cutler's Appliance Education. Today we're going to be going over a front load washing machine, how to clean the filter, the front boot gasket, and keep the machine from molding and mildewing in the future. Stay tuned till the end of this video and get more tips and tricks for other machines in your home. The first thing we're going to go over is the proper daily maintenance of your washing machine for when you're using it. This gasket here is going to help keep the water in your machine by sealing against this glass. So one of the first things you need to know is keep this clean. You'll start to get hair and other things that'll want to start to gather at the edge here and at the bottom of this front door. Now these are fresh wipes will help clean this gasket. It'll clean this glass. It'll get it nice and sanitized, disinfected, and it helps to get all of the crud off of these gaskets. It's the hair removed and it works very well. It is a product that I would easily put my name behind. So I do recommend the fresh wipes. So what you're going to want to do is pull this gasket back just a little, carefully, and you can take the toothpick without putting a hole in the gasket, and you can slowly pull the hair and material that starts to gather from inside. Now by cleaning this area, you're allowing the water to go back into the tub, stopping the water from staying in this area and molding. And like I said, clean this area out really well and the water will drain back into the machine and it won't start to mold and mildew in this area. So besides cleaning our gasket, the glass, and the holes to the front of this gasket, we're also going to open this door located at the bottom front left of your washing machine. Not all front load washing machines will have this access. There are 3 types of front load washing machines. One will have access like this, which will have a hose that can be removed, pulled gently, not all the way, with a plug at the end. And then here we have a filter, and after we unscrew this, water will come out, but anything that was left in your pockets, anything that was gotten through between the basket and the gasket will be down in that area. So we're going to also open and drain that. We're going to wipe that out. A lot of the smell and odor, especially with the LGs, will come from that area. So if we want to make sure that we're getting rid of that odor completely, we're definitely going to want to clean this filter. So one of the first things that we're going to want to do is grab a container, something that'll be able to help catch the water. So right here we have our drain plug and hose. We're going to move this out of the way. Most of these will have like a springy hinge so that it can be removed and set aside. Move your bucket in, pour your bowl, pinch, pull the plug, and then allow the water to drain into your pan. It's going to have approximately 3 cups of water in it. So I may have to dump this 1 time or 2 times before we get all the water out. You can hear the water inside the machine gurgling as it starts to empty out. I have no restrictions in this hose because we've done proper cleaning before. If I notice no water coming out of this hose, there's a chance that there would be debris clogged in this hose, stopping that water from coming out. Sometimes it's as simple as working the hose around just gently without rubbing it back and forth in here where it can cut itself. So I've got a decent amount of water out of it so far. There will be more to come out. Shouldn't be much. We're going to set this back inside and secure it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little towel down because some water will dribble out. Now if you have a shop vac, you can put a shop vac right here and keep your shop vac going while you get ready to open this so that it catches any and all water that comes out. This does smell. It smells quite a bit. You're going to keep turning this until it gets ready to pull out. And then here you are. We have our filter. Now, if there were coins, hair barrettes, toothpicks, things like this that get past the actual basket, will end up inside this filter. And I will just wipe this down with my cleaning wipes. And then I'll take some more and I'll wipe this area out. I like to make sure my workspace is clean. Wipe out this inner outside area here, and we'll get all of this black goo off there. And I just kind of stuff them into our filter housing. Give it a quick little turn. Pull that out and clean out any goo and crud that might be inside. This is the stuff that you're smelling. It's the stuff I'm smelling. We're going to go ahead and put that filter back inside. Tighten it down until it's tight. There we go. We can now put our cover back on, one side at a time. There you go. So that's going to be the filter part of it. We're not quite done yet. For the next part, we're just going to put the machine into a self-clean mode, okay? Most machines will have this, and if your machine doesn't, you want your heaviest wash, longest wash, maybe an extra rinse, and I like to use a half a cup distilled white vinegar. There are tablets that you can purchase. Fresh also makes tablets. I find that vinegar works great, and I'm also going to ask you to use this in your dishwasher. So it's a good thing to purchase. It works very well. You can use it as hand soap, dish soap, laundry soap, hair soap, body soap. The list goes on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pour half of a cup of distilled white vinegar into my washing machine. No reason to measure. I'm going to turn the machine on. I'm going to set this machine to a tub clean setting. It has a special button for that. And I'm going to hit start. Once this is done, I will open the door, wipe this door back down one last time. At the end of every wash, whether you're cleaning the machine or you're just doing a load of laundry, you're going to want to make sure that you leave your front door open and your soap dish drawer. That'll help with air circulation and stop stagnating water. So if you're having a smell with your front load washing machine, I'm hoping these tips will help. By cleaning that gasket regularly with the fresh wipes, you'll stop it from molding, mildewing, and make it last much longer, and you won't have to see one of those appliances repaired. So, if you like this video and you find it entertaining or helpful, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you in another one.